Hey, what's up everyone, this is Wicked Android HD and tonight I'm gonna be showing you how to flash latest update from Goldeneye. It is based on latest OC6 firmware, TouchWiz firmware, and right now I'm into recovery as always. I do always recommend making an Android backup before proceeding to the flashing part because you may encounter some problems with these TouchWiz ROMs, custom ROMs, and if you have a stable configuration, you'll be able to return back to your current configuration in case if something goes wrong. And yeah, that's why I do recommend making Android backup. How do you do that? Just go into backup and restore, and then backup either to SD card or SD card 1. Now let's get into the flashing part. Firstly, even if you're coming from an earlier Goldeneye ROM like version 50.1, iBasty, the developer of this ROM, said that you should make a full wipe, so that's why we're gonna go into wipe and format options and then clean to install a new ROM. Right now it is wiping data. So as I told you before, it is based on OC6 firmware. I hope that Samsung has fixed some of Lollipop's bugs, already very well-known bugs. It's a shame that we don't have a stable custom ROM until now based on Lollipop, and that's a sign that the development is going dead. And I'm sorry to tell you guys that unfortunately, as far as I see on the XDA threads, the developing part is really going dead. It's almost dead. S5 and S6 are out, and everyone is heading towards those devices, the Galaxy S6 and the Galaxy S5. The Galaxy S4 is getting a little bit old, and yeah, unfortunately my channel is gonna be getting old also. But apart from that, we've wiped the device, and then we're gonna connect the OTG cable because I'm running out of space on my external and internal storage. And okay, mounted. Let's get into installed zip, and then choose zip from USB disk. We're gonna flash Goldeneye version. Let me show you the version. Let me focus, version 52. So we're gonna choose this. Let's see if it benefits of Aroma installer. Opening update package, installing update. Yes, it benefits of Aroma installer. Okay, so it's version 52. Yes, I agree. Custom installation. I'm using i9005 international variant. Goldeneye Slim. I will always go for Slim ROMs because I'm so tired of Samsung's bloatware. Disable S5 weather. I don't even use it. Disable camera sounds. Disable S5 notification. Then center the clock. Yes, I agree with that. Sorry, I think I pressed the wrong button. Stock browser, Chrome browser. I'll go for Chrome. Disable boot sound, and we're gonna try Imperium kernel latest version 1.4. So right now the ROM is flashing, guys. We'll get back to you after it finishes, and of course I'm gonna be showing you the boot animation, which I reckon it's gonna be the same as the Samsung Galaxy S5 one. Yeah, the stock Samsung boot animation, so stay tuned, guys. Okay guys, I'm back and the installation is finished, completed. Now we're gonna reboot the device and I'm gonna show you the boot animation. Ain't flashing any custom kernel apart from Imperium because I just wanna try the one which comes with the ROM itself. if it doesn't work as I expect it to, I will change it to hard kernel and test it, but I don't think it's the case. So that's the boot animation, guys. First booting process will take more than 25 minutes, so just grab a coffee and watch some TV while booting up your GE ROM, stands for Goldeneye, so stay tuned. I'll get back to you guys after I configure my Galaxy S4 with this ROM. Okay guys, so welcome back to my overview. I'm running right now GE version 52, so Goldeneye ROM based on OC, let me show you, OC6 build number. Let me activate developer mode. So Goldeneye version 52. On the first view, I'm gonna tell you this ROM is pretty fast for Lollipop ROM. First of all, I got a request from one of my viewers that I should open a couple of apps and then check if there is any lag in the recent app panel. So I'm gonna be doing like that. Opening calculator, close it. Opening clock, close it. Opening ES file explorer, close it. Opening messages, I'm gonna close it. My files, of course. Phone app, I think it's already open. No, it's not. Settings, S2X been already opened. I have tweaked some features there, and let's see. It's still lagging. It's still fucking lagging, you fucking Samsung. They haven't fixed that. It's still freaking lagging. As you may see, damn lag. Here on the top and the bottom one it doesn't. It feels very good, but intermediate level is laggy as fuck, so they haven't fixed that in OC6 version. Let's check other things apart from that nasty lag. Overall, this kernel, which is Imperium kernel latest version 1.4, it is working pretty smoothly. One thing I'd always do after I install custom ROM, me personally will change the DPI to 360, which I'm gonna be doing right now, and then apply it. Okay, grant permission, and then I'm gonna be soft rebooting this. Then I'll show you that it isn't fully compatible with custom DPI as an ASP ROM would be. So we're gonna be hot booting our device. Come on, okay. It will take less time, but I will show you what I mean by that. The launcher won't be compatible with a custom DPI. Neither will be any of phone or messaging application. Oh, I think, yeah, it's the same DPI. I think it hasn't changed. 360. I think we have to do a full reboot. Yeah, but the fact is that in previous versions the ROM wasn't, I don't know if the ROM, maybe I should say the firmware wasn't really compatible with this kind of DPI. A lower DPI means a lot of more screen on your device, screen areas which you can put widgets on and so on, but we'll see if There's something new with that. Any other things? We're going to be checking some apps afterwards. Is this... I'm going to make a conclusion afterwards. But let's... yeah, now the DPI has changed. Let me enter the pin. So, as you may see, the launcher isn't compatible with the DPI I have set. A lot of bugs, a lot of... yeah, it looks pretty damn bad. That's why I'm gonna be I'm gonna be installing Nova Launcher, because that ROM is compatible, that application is compatible with custom DPI. And then I'll be showing you the apps just to show how fast it installs. As you may see, I have selected the No S Finder toggle right here. What the fuck, it isn't installing or what? Right now it's flashing, it's installing. I think I should dim the brightness a little bit. Yeah, just like that. Okay, so it's installing Nova. Let's change to Nova. Use Nova. This time I'm going to be using this always. Clear defaults. Okay, got it. As you may see, Nova is a more faster launcher for touchways. Works very fast. Now, another bug that I have experienced with a custom DPI is that they won't show. It will, I don't know, maybe change. I don't know how to say it. Maybe change the icons here from Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. I don't know why is that. It won't happen with any other. Oh, it will. Here, the icons here are bugged up. So yeah, that's what I meant when I said that Lollipop ROMs based on touchwiz aren't really compatible with a custom DPI, and that's why it freaks me out, because I won't be able to use it. Take a look at phone application. Totally vanished in terms of theming. No DPI support. Messages, I think, yeah, they support multi-DPI. Any other apps that I found, my files, they support multi-DPI. Yeah, the camera never supported multi-DPI. As you may see, yeah. And matter of fact, this Samsung has made some changes in art type of cache, which doesn't allow Exposed to work currently on a TouchWiz firmware based on Lollipop, which sucks because you can customize per app DPI, which means that your certain DPI every single app will take up as it is, will work on the DPI you set for your entire system, which is bad. Let's see the calculator. Yeah, I think it supports multi-DPI. Clock. This doesn't support. Or does it? Nope, it doesn't, as you may see. Asterix, I know it supports. Settings supports, but as I told you, this bug here. This bug, yeah. Let's see yeah. This nasty lag. When you scroll up, as you may see in this part, it isn't lagging, but in the other part it's lagging as fuck. Don't know why, or why Samsung hasn't fixed this problem. Task Manager has stopped, so Task Manager wouldn't even start with a custom DPI like that. Unfortunately, yeah, this doesn't support multi-DPI. So all of Samsung's fucking apps don't support multi-DPI. The lock screen, let me test the pin lock screen, because I saw that there were problems in past with the pin problem. So let me say 8888 continue, 8888 continue. So let's see if the pin works. 8888. Yeah, it works. Guys, I gotta tell you, I read the XDA thread about that problem with the pin lock. They told me that it will occur after you reboot your device, so I have set my pin 888 as I told you, and the fact is that it's still present. So as you may see, I'm gonna be showing you that my lock screen is secured with pin, as you may see here, and if I lock my device it won't show up, which is pretty bad. So sorry to tell you that, guys. This was kind of a short video which I'm gonna be putting into the final edit, so sorry for that. I hope Samsung will fix it. I'm running the OC6 bootloader along with the OC6 kernel. I think the bootloader will make an improvement over your lock screen settings. At least I heard that from XDA. I don't know why, but yeah, Samsung has changed some different things in their framework. But with Nova Launcher it runs pretty smooth. So overall, to sum up these things, yeah, this ROM is, as always, a good stable ROM. It isn't the developer's fault that Samsung plays with their firmwares, and they play with them in a very bad way. They're testing shit on them, but wanna give a shit about that, about Samsung, of course. They're starting to be very bad in developing section, but apart from that, this ROM is very quick, along with Imperium kernel, really fast, along with Nova Launcher. TouchWiz Launcher is shit as always. If you won't change your DPI to a lower value, I would recommend this ROM. But if you're planning to reduce the size of your DPI, make sure I will tell you that this ROM isn't for you guys. And of course, by default, isn't for me, because I like a small DPI. I like to have more space on the screen to customize with widgets and icons and so on. I don't know if you saw my custom theming tutorial, but that's how I feel pleasant. That's how I feel good while browsing through my Android phone. So this is not a ROM for me, guys. If you want to customize your DPI and you want to full theme your device, this isn't a ROM for you. Go for ASP instead. And let's hope in the near future, I don't think so, but let's hope so, in the near future Samsung will fucking do something good with our device, so, because everything is going bad. So that was it, guys, for this ROM. I hope you like it. If you did, please thumbs up and subscribe right down to my channel. I'll put a link in the description with all the files you'll need, a link to the XDA thread, and the download will be finished very fast, about 4 or 5 minutes. And thanks for watching, guys. Wicked Android is out. Bye bye.